Guess the singer. A, B, or C.
Okay.
kusoo dhawaada muuqaal cusub intaada muuqaalkeen kusoo dhawaanin waxaan ka codsanaa hadda channelkan aad ku cusub tahay inaad subscribe ii saarto si aan u gaaro 1 million subscribers waxaan ku socdaa 1 million waxaan ka codsanaa in aad iga saacido inaan million gaaro oo waa hadda channelkan aad ku cusub tahay inaad subscribe saarto aad iyo aad ayaa u mahadsan tahay muuqaalkeena caawa wuxuu ku saabsan yahay waxa tartami doonaan Neyna iyo Ahmed. Neyna iyo Ahmed waa laba isqabta oo ka imaaday halka iyo Pakistan. Waxaan halkaan aan ku soo diyaarsaday su'aalooyinkaas oo aan weydiin doono lamaanahan. Kaliya waa Qayaas ma ahan wax ay iiga ay yaqaaniin. Haddii ay guulaysato attriishadan waxaan u ballan qaadayaa in aan siin doono 100 ringgit. Haddii atoorahan uu guulaystana insha Allah waxaan u ballan qaadi doonaa 200 oo ringgit. sababta aan lacagaha u kala badiyay wax kale ma ahan attriishadan xogaa Soomaalida way kala taqaanaa atoorahan ayaa ku cusub macnaa dhanka Soomaalida ala kulli xal insha Allah waxa soo dhaweyn doonaa hadana Neyna. You ready our game?
Yes.
Totally.
Yeah. I'm very excited also because before I just say I want.
You want to join my games, huh?
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, thank you. This is first time to join my game.
Yes.
Waayahay. Are you ready, Neyna?
Yes, totally.
Waayahay. The first question is, can you guess Somaliland flag?
Yes, Somaliland flag.
Yeah. A, B, or C?
Maybe. Not maybe. It will be C.
You choose C.
Yes.
It is not.
Why?
Incorrect. Okay, no problem. Su'aasheeda u horeysay way sheegaysay. Okay, the second question. Are you ready? Guess the actor.
B.
B?
Yes.
Yes, you're correct. How do you know? You know the guy?
No.
You don't know this guy?
I don't know.
The one you choose, you don't know?
No. Who is he?
Just look. Do you know Arman?
Yes, he look like.
Do you know Arman?
Brother.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Oh my God. I thought, but I said no. Okay.
Yes, it's Arman.
Oh my God. Yes.
But it's a long time, the picture. Okay, hal dhibac ayay heshay Neyna. You have got 1 point. The third question is, guess his wife. He is one of best singer Somalian. Who his wife? You can name the names you see.
Yes.
Who?
It is for sure.
Yes, you're correct. Yeah, it is Farhi. Do you know him?
No.
And you don't know her?
No. Sometimes my friend where I stay, she puts songs. That's why I know this.
Yeah, the Farhiya.
Yeah,
you see before?
Yes, before in YouTube like this. Yes,
YouTube.
That's why.
I think she not using more.
More like yes, but Naima, she told me like this.
Naima, okay. waxay dhahday gabar waxa yani gurigeed la degneed oo Soomaali ah oo Naim la dhaho ayaa yani ka arkay waxyaabahaas ay dhaheen. Waayahay waa ka soconeena way iska tuurinaysaa saan dareemayo. You get 2 points. Okay, the other one is guess the singer. Who is the singer? A or B or C?
I know that A is not between B and C. This I like, you know.
The A?
Yes.
She's not looking like singer.
Yes. No,
Okay.
I know her.
You know her?
Yes.
His name?
Isha.
Isha, yes. Yeah, what the Okay, Isha.
I like
Okay, okay. And then she's
B
not
is-
singer.
Yes, she is not.
Okay, who is singer, B or C?
B.
B. No.
Oh my god.
She's not. Yeah, way khaladay. Su'aasheeda kale. Waa yahay. The next question is guess the singer. A, B or C?
Okay. C.
C? No. No, no. It is not. Still, waxaa haysataa 2 points.
2 points.
You get still 2 points.
Yes, okay.
Okay, the next question is who is Somali lady? A, B or C?
B.
B. Yes.
You know why I recognize?
Yes.
Her hijab
Do you know
style.
her?
No, her hijab style I recognize.
Her hijab. Oh, okay. Dharka alindiga shit. Kaasa isku gaaday. Yani dharkan wuxuu u egyahay like qaab alindi ama cultural Kenya waxaas u egyahay.
Yes.
Okay, you get 3 points. Waa yahay the next one. Who is Somali president?
I know.
Who is?
Which like previous or no?
Now, who is?
Hassan Sheikh.
Yes, 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 yes. You correct.
And the previous one for Maju.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
good one, right?
Yeah. You get 4 points.
Wow.
The last question. Guess the actress. Who's the actress? A, B or C?
A.
You correct. Oh my God. Do you know her?
No.
Well, it's just
I
like
just choose like.
like yeah, Nasiba.
Because
She
you know,
look like
I
an
see-
actress or
No, I see what I think in my mind. He take like this. She take like this hijab. She can do drama. No, she take like this. No drama. She can maybe because her hijab style is like
yeah,
this.
hijab style.
That's why I think maybe she.
The big hijab is become actress.
No, like because the drama is difficult to carry hijab big.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay. Waxaa ku gartay dhahday qaabka styleka ay u xijaabsan tahay. Aan ka gartay ay taagan tahay in yani trish ay tahay qoftaan ama actor ay tahay. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
I see your husband.
Yes.
Okay. Ahmed, balkoonka ku xareynay.
also go back.
Yeah, balkoonka ku xareynay si inuu soo maqlin ama si uu noo ogaanin, ma fahanti. Waxaa kaloo soo dhaweyn doonaa insha Allah Neena xaajigeeda. Yeah. Today the game it is you and your wife.
Okay.
Your wife get already 5 points. Now we see.
my turn.
Yeah, now we see how many points you will get.
Okay.
Inshallah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Remember, if you win, I give you 200 ringgit.
Really?
Yes. If you lose your wife, I give her 100 ringgit.
Okay.
Because she knows than Somalia than you.
Okay. Yeah.
Igu qaatay waa jajabsiga Englishka sababtoo ah oo aan id boqol ugu dhigay waxa way Soomaalida way kala taqaanaa. Okay, the first question is guess Somaliland flag. Is A, B or C? Which is Somaliland flag?
Somalian flag. Which one? I think C.
C?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Oh my God. Taasi way ka siman yihiin. Labadaba way sheeg wayn. It is not. It is B.
B.
Yeah, Somaliland flag is B. Okay, are you ready? The next question?
Yes.
Guess the sheikh. Who is the sheikh? A, B or C?
This is for Somalia?
Yeah, it's Somalian sheikh.
Somalia Sheikh. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. I think Arab Dubai like
No,
this.
no, all Somalian.
All Somalia. All. I think B. Yeah.
Yes, yes, you correct, man. Oh my God. The next question is, who is Somaliland president?
Somalian president.
Somaliland. Who is Somaliland president?
Somaliland.
Yes.
Who?
Guess.
I think Musa
Muse.
Muse.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yes. Oh my God. Yeah. You're
Today I
going
beat
to
her.
win. Yeah, you're going to win. If you win, remember I give you 200 ringgit.
Okay.
Take your time. Relax your mind.
Yeah.
Okay. The next question is, guess the YouTuber.
YouTuber.
Yes.
This is also Somalia.
Yeah, all Somalian.
Okay, all Somalian. Okay. In Malaysia, this is or in
It's,
living
my country.
Somalian.
They're leaving my country.
Only in Somalian.
Yeah.
Okay. Who?
A, B, or C.
A, B, C. I think C. Am I right?
No. Incorrect. Oh my God. I have the last question.
Okay.
Okay, the last question is, guess the YouTuber.
Also, she is also
Yes,
YouTuber.
female YouTuber.
She is also living Somalian.
Yeah, she. But they are Somalian, different country. They stay in different country.
Okay.
Who is the YouTuber? A, B, or C?
Which one? I think all, but
No.
yes, which one?
We have only one YouTuber.
Only one YouTuber.
Yeah.
Only one. I think if I am not wrong, I think A.
A?
Am I right?
No.
Oh, yo. Wrong.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
wrong.
okay.
Oh my God. Naina, congratulations, come.
She win or me win?
Yeah.
She win.
She win, yes.
You win.
Yeah, you win. Congratulations, man. Oh my God. If you answer another 3 questions, will be true.
Oh
Yeah. Congratulations, man. Nena, you win 100 ringgit.
Only.
Yeah, only half. Because if you win, I will give you 200.
200.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Congratulations, 100 ringgit is here. Wahba balay ka. Let's go start with the guy.
No.
The same. Me and him same. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. كل يعني wax ay ii ka sayn maahan, laakiin waxay ahayd wax ay iska khayaasayn. Only the game is gus.
Yeah.
But you know some people.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, some Somalian people, you know. Yeah, that's why you win. Yeah. Haddii asaga uu guuleysan lahaa iyo haddii ii guuleysan lahayd agtood same ka tahay, laakiin agteeda way kala xanuun badnaa lahayd sababtoo ah waxaa u ballan qaaday asaga hadduu guuleysan lahaa inaan 200 ring aan siin lahaa, iidane waxaa u ballan qaaday 100 ringgit maadaama ay dadka kala taqaano. Ma fahanta? Calaa kulli xaal geemkaasaan jeclaystay and welcome Nena. Sidoo kale ha ilaawina insha Allah channelkeed subscribe saar, waxay ku dhawdahay 100,000 waa YouTuber oo yani Soomaali ay ku xiran yihiin. Ma fahantay? Marka waxaan ka codsanaa insha Allah inaad subscribe saartaan, dhanka commentigan oo kusoo biin gareyn doonaa. She will reach 100k inshallah.
With your support.
Yeah, inshallah. You will support. Yeah, from team 27 inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
Waa kaas xabta intaasan jeclaystay inaan ilo daawo, intaasan jeclaystay inaan soo gudbiyo. Waxaad meesantihiin daawasha muuqaalkan aad daawateen. Waxay noo balanaa muuqaalkan xiga inshallah. Sidaas iyo nabadgelyo. Bye bye.
naxariistu waa dhalad rabbi kugu dhaxaasay qofka aad mar dhugataa soo nasiibku ma dhaxo